Coming from the mxgp, or technically MX2 side of things, we actually have some good news about the broken C5 injury to Liam Everts. Now, the Red Bull KTM team, whatever you want to call it, put out a statement saying Red Bull KTM Factory Racing MX2 Grand Prix winner Liam Everts is on the mend after surgery at, I'm going to butcher these, I'm sorry. I'm assuming it's Huashan, Huashan Hospital in Shanghai to repair a broken C5 vertebrae. The Belgian crashed after contact with another rider during the second moto at the Shanghai Off-Road International Circuit during Sunday's the Oriental Beauty Valley Grand Prix of China for the penultimate round of the 2024 FIM MXGP Series. Liam received medical attention trackside and was taken for further scans where the fifth cervical fracture was found and needed a prompt corrective procedure. The 20-year-old was taken again, I'm sorry, to Huashan and a specialist department where he had started to regain feeling and movement in his limbs. The operation to fix the bone went well. The surgeons were confident he will make a full recovery, and the whole Red Bull KTM team would like to thank Samantha Liu for her excellent help and assistance. Liam, who is in good spirits, will remain in China for one more week for assessment before being able to travel home to Belgium, where he can start the path back to full fitness. Uh, that's really good news when you consider if he goes into the hospital not having feeling in his limbs, that's got to be extremely scary. That is my 100% biggest fear, personally. Um, so it's really good that apparently the surgery went well. Everything sounds good, well, as well as it could. And if you have to stay in hospital for a week and you're not going to be paralyzed, that's probably not the worst outcome you can probably hear. So hopefully it does. He heals well. Everything, goes the way it should, and he'll be back for next year or whenever he comes back. But I don't know. You guys tell me down comments below. Do you watch MX2 or MXGP, or are you just an American motocross, supercross fan? I know they don't really super crossover, I think, a lot of times, but I don't know. Comments down below. Tell me what you think. Did you watch the race? Whatever it is, I don't know. Tell me if you like churros. Whatever. Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.